Not all radiation behaves the same way. Some radiation can be stopped by a sheet of paper, while other radiation can pass directly through the human body. But here's the real question. Which one is actually more dangerous? Radiation comes in different forms, each with unique dangers. Alpha particles can be stopped by paper, while gamma rays can pass through your body. Understanding these differences is crucial for safety. Most people assume that the radiation which penetrates deeper must automatically be more dangerous. But radiation physics is far more subtle than that. Some radiation passes through matter with relatively little interaction, while other radiation deposits enormous energy in a tiny region. And that difference changes everything. More penetration doesn't necessarily mean more danger. Gamma rays penetrate deeply with few interactions, while alpha particles cause intense ionization in a small area. The danger depends on how radiation interacts with matter. Radiation becomes important only when it interacts with matter. As radiation passes through a material, it can collide with atoms and transfer energy to them. One of the most important effects is the removal of electrons from atoms. Ionization occurs when radiation transfers energy to an atom, ejecting electrons and creating charged ions. This is the first step in how radiation causes damage. Alpha particles are heavy and slow, causing strong ionization in a short distance. They are deadly if inside the body but harmless outside, as they can be stopped by paper or skin. Beta radiation consists of fast-moving electrons that can penetrate materials and require denser shields to stop. They have moderate ionizing power and can travel through paper and aluminum. Gamma rays are highly penetrating and can pass through most materials. They interact with matter through various effects, causing significant damage despite their low ionizing power. Alpha, beta, and gamma radiation interact with matter in unique ways. Understanding these interactions is key to assessing their potential danger and ensuring safety. The danger of radiation depends on its source and where it deposits energy. Alpha particles are most dangerous inside the body, while gamma rays pose a threat externally. Radiation can cause changes at the cellular and DNA levels, leading to long-term consequences like mutations and diseases. Understanding these effects is vital for protection and prevention. Not all radiation is equal. The Sievert unit helps measure the biological effect on the human body, accounting for different types of radiation and their potential harm. Integrating knowledge of radiation types, interactions, and biological damage is essential for making informed decisions about protection and control. Science guides us in understanding and mitigating risks.